This chicken, it's juicy, it's giving flavor, it's giving. Where has this been all my life? Let's go, foodies! Hey foodies! Welcome back to Ate's American Kitchen, where we don't gatekeep good food. Today we're making killer crack chicken marinade. Cause basic chicken, we don't know her. Here's the dream team lineup. 1 pound chicken breast, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon sesame oil for that nutty vibe, 1/4 cup cocoa aminos or soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 5 tablespoon honey, 1 lemon, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, garlic and ginger, fresh of course. This is what happens when sweet, savory, and a little sass have a group chat. Grab a bowl and let's make this magic happen. Olive oil, sesame oil, cocoa aminos, Worcestershire sauce, honey, I got it right, lemon juice, garlic, and ginger. Whisk it like you mean it. Boom! Flavor explosion ready! If your kitchen doesn't smell amazing by now, check your nostrils. Now grab your chicken breast and give it a quick pat down. Dry chicken is equivalent to crispy sear. You can slice them thinner if you want them to cook faster or keep them chunky. Your kitchen, your rules. Place your chicken in a bowl or a bag and pour that marinade like it's payday. Massage it a bit and yes, love your chicken. Then let it chill in the fridge for at least 1 hour or overnight if you want it hit different. Overnight is equivalent to flavor that hugs you from the inside. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes or pan-sear until golden and juicy. Grill it if you're feeling fancy, either way it's gonna slap hard. Look at that caramelization! She's golden, she's glossy, she's the main character. Oh my gosh! The garlic, the ginger, the honey. This chicken said, "You're never eating plain again." Perfect with rice, salad, or straight from the container with no regrets. Here are some of the most common questions I see about this dish. Can I freeze the marinade chicken? Yes, of course. Freeze it raw in the marinade and then thaw, cook, and done. Can I use thighs instead of breast? Yes, of course. Just adjust the cooking time. What if I don't have sesame oil? It adds that nutty aroma, but you can skip it or replace it with a tiny splash of toasted peanut oil or just add more olive oil on keeping it moving. Can I make it spicy? For sure. Add chili flakes, sriracha, or a touch of gochujang if you want a little kick. Can I use soy sauce instead of cocoa aminos? Yes. You can use soy sauce. Just taste and adjust the salt level since they are saltier. If you made it this far, thank you foodies. Please click like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and delicious dishes made with love. And if you're in the mood for another treat, watch next!